Please do it in copy, okay? Because
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have already done exercise in my book.
okay, very good, Shaptaparna. Plus you.
Question number A to B.
Okay, that's good, but can you do it in copy also? Because in the copy, then it will be all be there. I mean, the everything, question A, B, C, everything will be there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am, from A to C.
first we'll do A, then we'll do B, like that, okay? And A, B, C, yes?
Ma'am, from A
Ma'am,
to
we also can. Ma'am, can I do in my copy?
Yes, you can do all in the copy. Yes, yes, we will do A, B, and C. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, only answer.
Yes, only answer, but mark it properly.
Okay.
Like A1, A2, like mark it properly, so that when you go back to the copy, you can know that which question is that and which answer is that. And one thing I want to tell everyone, that when someone is speaking, don't speak, okay? After they finish, then you speak. That's a primary rule of speaking, okay? See, when you are speaking, then I only listen and I don't speak. So you also do that. When some student is speaking, you don't speak. After he or she finished, then you speak, okay? That you have to maintain. Now we will do A, okay? Those who have already done it in the book, you can do it in the copy. Those who have not done it anywhere, you just open your copy and you write.
I'm third. Ma'am, the number is third.
Yes, the
Third.
Earth is the
Ma'am, the last one.
Third number.
yes, last one. Just
Ma'am, I am Santuna. The answer of question I done in the copy, not in book.
Ma'am, why are you muting everyone?
Answer.
okay. Everyone,
Ma'am, why are you unmute everyone? Ma'am, why are you unmute everyone?
I have not unmuted everyone. So I just told you that when someone is speaking, you don't speak. Okay. Don't speak everyone all together. Yes, I will not do exercise if you keep saying all together. Okay?
To do answer likhbo.
No, you just write the full sentence. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, write the full sentence and write in your copy. And
This is science.
no, this is social science. Yes,
What will we do?
we'll do exercise of chapter 2.
Ma'am, we have already done in my copy. Only answer.
You did not write the full. You did not write the full sentence.
No, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, I have already done only answer in my copy.
Okay. Okay, no problem. If you have already done that, we cannot do anything. But let's start this. Okay. Don't.
Ma'am, I completed A, B in my book.
Okay. Do it in the copy, because this is happening in the class. So the first answer is Earth is the third planet from the sun. Now,
But the second answer. We live on the planet Earth.
can we?
Ma'am, I mean previous chapter. Ma'am, we live on the planet Earth.
Yes, we live
Ma'am,
on the
we
planet.
live on the planet Earth.
Yes. Okay. I am muting everyone. If you want to, I will tell you the answers one by one. You just do it in your copy, or you can just check with your what you have done in your book. You can check with that. And if you have any question for me, then you only raise hand. Okay. If you want me to stop, if you want me to repeat, then only you raise hand. Otherwise, I'm screen sharing and we are doing here. Okay. First question was, we live on the planet Earth, and that is third from the sun. We live on the planet Earth. Second question, we live on the planet Earth. Now, the sun is the natural source of light on Earth. The sun, third question answer, the sun is the natural source of light on Earth. Fourth question, long ago people were afraid to travel far away. Everyone do that in your copy. Long ago people were afraid to travel far away. Okay. Now, fifth question, the rotation causes days and nights on different parts of the world. Okay, 2 persons have raised hand. Let me see. Aratrika, tell me. Any?
Ma'am, in the previous class, in the previous chapter,
Yes.
you do the exercise
Yes.
in book. But
Oh.
why you do this exercise in copy?
Okay. It will be better if we do every exercise in copy. Maybe I don't know. I don't remember why we did that in the book. But if you want to do that in the book, you can. But it will be better if you do it in copy, because when
Ma'am,
we'll
can I write only answer?
if you write the full sentence, that will be better. It will be better for you to go to revision. I mean, it will be better if you revision and you can understand what you are writing. Okay, so when we'll do the question answer thing, so you will have everything on the copy. If you do,
But I have already do in my book.
okay, if you don't really want to do it in copy now, you are excused, but try to do it in copy from the next time. Okay.
Okay,
Then
ma'am.
everything will be everything, the exercise, the whole exercise will be there in the copy at the same place. Yes, so
Okay, ma'am.
that will be easier to find when you revise before exam. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Rachika. Taskin, tell me, what is it? Taskin Alam, Sampurna Samanto, tell me what is it? Can you unmute Taskin and Sampurna?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I am completed in my book.
Do it in copy, please.
Ma'am, completed.
I'm only answer.
No, the whole sentence. Aryan, you want to tell me anything? Let me unmute. Tell me. Yes.
I have completed in my book or copy.
Okay, if you have completed in your book, don't just write down the copy now. If you have done it in the copy, very good. You don't have
And
to.
in my book.
Okay, in your book, if you have done that, okay, no problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Audrija, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, can you ask me the questions?
Yes, I will ask you the questions. Okay, but when we'll do C, then I will ask you questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so everyone just complete. Those who have not yet completed, complete A. That is A1 is the answer third, option A. A2 is the answer, option B, Earth. A3 answer is C. A4 answer is afraid, D. Now A5, the answer is days, A, option A. Okay, now we'll do B1.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I write question number 3? C.
Okay, you can write by yourself, but we'll do a little later. First, we'll do B. Okay, first we'll do B. Match the following. Which causes cause of days and night? Okay, rotation is the cause of days and night. The fifth largest planet is the Earth. A Portuguese sailor his name is Ferdinand Magellan. 2/3 of our planet is covered with water. Cause of change is season is revolution. Everyone please complete. Match the following. Cause of days and night, rotation. The fifth largest planet is Earth. A Portuguese sailor is Ferdinand Magellan. 2/3 of our planet is covered with water. Cause of change is season is revolution. Now we'll do question number C. What are the factors? Yes.
Again, here.
Again, question B you have not completed. Okay, those who have not completed, just complete it. Cause of days and night is rotation. Okay, just we are doing this B. If you want to ask something, just raise hand in this app. Then I can get notified. First, B question number B. First thing, cause of days and night rotation. The fifth largest planet is the Earth. A Portuguese sailor is Ferdinand Magellan. 2/3 of our planet is covered with water. Cause of change in season revolution. Okay. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can ask me. I have unmuted you. If you want to ask anything, just you can ask me. Shahzad, you are late, so I will update your attendance. Don't worry.
I have already write this answer.
Yes, tell me again.
Already write this.
Which one?
Beta.
Okay, I am sharing again. Can you see?
Okay, ma'am.
First, okay, first will be A.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I am telling you, just you can write B1 will be option E. B1 will be option E. B2 will be option A. B
Ma'am.
will be option A. Yes. Could not hear you. Tell me again.
I have already write A and B.
Okay, very good. You don't need to tell me that.
ম্যাম আমার লিভ হয়ে গেছিল আরেকবার বলবেন
Yes, B1 is option E, the Earth. B2 is option A, covered with water. B3 is option B. Okay, first complete B1. Completed everyone? B1, fifth largest planet is the Earth, option E. B2, 2/3 of our planet is option A, covered with water. B3, a Portuguese sailor is option B, Ferdinand Magellan. Now B4, cause of days and night, that is rotation, option C. Number 4 option is C. B5, cause of change in seasons. That will be option D, revolution. I'm again saying B1
Ma'am,
option.
আমার 3, 4, 5 টা হয় না।
Okay, I am telling just right. Okay. B3 will be option B. You just write because I'm telling here. B3 option will be here, and right hand side the option will be B, Ferdinand Magellan. B4, cause of days and night, will be on the right hand side. Option will be C, rotation. And B5, cause of change in
ম্যাম
season.
আমার 3, 5 টা হয়নি।
3, 5. 3 and 5. Tell me again, please.
ম্যাম আমার 3 আর 5 টা হয় না।
Why? Why can't you write? I am telling you to write. Don't.
ম্যাম I have completed. I am Sunny.
Okay, Swanit, good. So why cannot you write? I am telling you, no? I am telling you the answers. Can you match that? Three will be answer B, Ferdinand Magellan. On the right hand side, can you see in your book?
ম্যাম আমার 11, ম্যাম আমার 3 আর 5 এরটা হয় না।
Okay, Prashmita, can you hear my voice?
ম্যাম আমার 3 আর 5 এরটা হয় না।
Prashmita, can you hear me?
হ্যালো ম্যাম।
Yes. Prashmita, can you hear me?
Yes ম্যাম।
Okay, so I am telling you the answer. Can you write? Okay, Prashmita, if you cannot write now, you can just watch the video because I'm recording this class, and you can watch it in the video section in your school app, Prashmita. Maybe you're having network problem. That's why you cannot understand it. So please watch the video in your school app. Then you can do the exercise.
Yes
So-
ma'am, I can hear you.
Yes, you are having too much network problem, I think. Okay.
Okay ma'am.
So please watch the video because question, I am repeating it. Question 3 will be answer B, option B. Okay. And question number 5 will be B5 will be answer D. So we'll start question C quickly. What are the factors which keep us alive on earth? Who can tell me that?
What, ma'am?
The first
Ma'am?
question answer.
Tell the question.
The first question answer in your book. Who will tell me what are the factors which keep us alive on the earth?
What I am telling. Ma'am,
Yes,
the
you-
factors are to be alive is for the water. The 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. The
Yes.
whole earth is covered with air, and all the substances that are needed for a person to be alive
yes.
or a living.
You can just write. Yes, these
Ma'am,
are the factors.
Temperature, weather, atmosphere, and
many
other factors are just right to keep us alive.
Yes, what Ahornish said, it's like precisely it's just the Arhad said. I mean, Ahornish's answer was right and Arhad's was also right, but Arhad's answer is precise. Okay, so you can write that briefly, that Earth's temperature, weather, atmosphere, and many other factors are just right to keep us alive. Answer 1.
Ma'am, is my answer not right?
No, your answer is correct. Okay, your answer is correct. You just said what Arhat said. It's similar. Okay, you both are right.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I am Adrija. Can you tell me the fourth number question?
Uh,
C is fourth number question.
okay, fourth number question we'll discuss, but before that I'll have to complete 1, 2, and 3, isn't it? Then I can go to 4.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, just wait a little bit. If we
Ma'am,
cannot,
can you tell me question number 1? Answer the following question.
yes, question number 1 is what are the factor that which keep us alive on the earth? You have to write that the earth's temperature, weather, atmosphere, and many other factors.
Ma'am,
Yes,
please say
slowly.
slowly.
Okay, the earth's temperature, weather, atmosphere, 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 and many other factors. And many other factors are just right, to keep us alive. Okay, Adrija, I think today will not be there. I mean, today will not. I will not have the time to go to chapter. Sorry, question 5. Okay, so can we do that tomorrow?
Ma'am, can you
Okay,
tell
okay.
me question number 2? Why is the
Yes.
ma'am? Can you tell me?
Saptaparna, today the class will be over. See, it's 1-5. Okay, so should we do the answer of 2 to 5 tomorrow? Okay, I think it will be better. Then everyone can write it. So tomorrow we'll do question C